Hello guys! Ay, wait lang. Ayan. Ay, putol ba ako? So today's video is mag-unboxing kami ng white play button because you guys ay sinuportahan niyo ako to reach 100 subscribers. So, eto na. Gumawa kami ng sarili naming button. Why not, right? So, are you ready to unbox?
Apa.
Okay, so let's do this. So, ano ba? Tingnan sa camera, say hi!
Hi!
Ayan. So, ito na ang aming play button. Are you ready, guys? And because I reached 100 subscriber, so tadan! Kita ba? So, Abby Cubayot for passing 100 subscriber from YouTube. So, thank you, YouTube, for believing in me, for believing in them, because life here is so poor and so sad. Char. Ano masasabi mo sa play button ko? Ano masasabi mo dito?
Mabidyo po kami.
Ano video po kami? Ito na nga. So, thank you so much, guys. And sana dumami pa yung subscriber ko. So, for now, ito na muna tayo to our 100 subscriber at white play button muna siya. Later yung silver. I'm sure darating din yun sa tamang panahon. And because of that, I will do a 100 push-up. Bet niyo yun?
Apa.
Ikaw talaga sumagot. Sige. Push up si girl. Are you ready?
Apa.
Okay. We'll see you later, guys. So, let's ask Mom what can she opinion about my 100 subscriber. Wait. Let's gonna ask her. Mom? Mom, what can you say about this? Asa na? So, this is my 100 subscriber. Ano masasabi mo sa 100 subscriber?
Ay, nako.
What can you say? Are you happy? Sorry, I can see us. Are you happy that I reached 100 subscribers?
100 naman di ay.
So, 100 naman, guys. Hello. Daga na kayo nag-subscribe ng 100. Right?
Bunga daw.
Diba? See? So, my mom is not so happy about the 100 kasi 100 lang daw siya. Pero, very naka-happy siya. So, anyway, magpo-push up na ako. Later, see ya with my push up. Bye! So, ayun guys. Ay, kakapoy. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Hindi pala biro 100 push-ups. Oh my gosh, imagine if 100,000 push-ups. Kalurk. But anyway guys, I hope you have fun. And please comment down below ano pang gusto nyo gagawin ko for the next video. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Wala pa kasi mga bell button, hindi ko pa alam. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have fun. Stay safe. Bye for now. Mwah!